Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get Monty Mix. First, you'll need to secure a party pass, which grants you entry to various restricted locations within the Pizzaplex. One convenient way to obtain this pass is by visiting Chica's Green Room, situated in the Rockstar Row area. This pass is crucial for progressing through the initial stages of your quest. Once you have your party pass in hand, your next destination is Phaser Blast. Head over to the main lobby and use your pass to enter this exciting attraction. After gaining entry, make your way through the facility until you reach the security room. This room holds another vital item for your journey. Inside the Phaser Blast security room, you will discover a present containing the bowling pass. This pass is essential for accessing the Bonnie Bowl, a key location in your search. With the bowling pass secured, you are now ready to move on to the next phase of obtaining the Monty Mix. Finally, with the bowling pass, head to Bonnie Bowl, located on the 3rd floor of the atrium. Once inside, make your way to the kitchen area and then into the back room. Look for a box on top of some filing cabinets. Use nearby boxes to climb up and interact with it to retrieve the Monty Mystery Mix. This item is vital for your objective.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.